How do we execute the critical chain way? As we said previously when we were doing the planning, the success of the project will depend entirely on the execution of the critical chain, right? The tasks in red. When we execute, we're going to try to make sure that those tasks in red, the critical chain, go as fast as possible. And to do that, we use the relay race analogy. Imagine that this is a race with people handing over a baton from one person to the next as they go through the different tasks. And you want to make sure that that baton gets to the end as quickly as possible. There are several ways of doing this. One of the ways that we've developed, which has been very popular with our clients, is to use a mascot, a big noticeable object that will follow the critical chain tasks physically from beginning to end. We started this in a pharmaceutical drug company that was developing drugs for animals, for pigs in our example. The project manager, with a certain sense of humor, decided to use a mascot that was a big pink pig as the mascot of the project, right? This physically went from one office to another and made it obvious to everybody, watch out, this is the critical chain of the development of this drug. Please do not interrupt these people. They are a critical part of the project. You must not get in their way because the project will depend on how quickly they all do their work. This was very, very successful, and it's given ideas to all our clients since then, and very often we use the mascots. But if you have an environment of portfolio management where you have, I don't know, more than 30 different projects going simultaneously through an organization, of course, it would become unmanageable to have mascots for each and every one of these projects. You'd have 30 pigs and other wild animals all over the place in your offices, right?